everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I am working on a 16 by 20. I have a few blues and greens and mostly gray. Today's colors are Cobalt Turquoise Light Hue by Atelier. I have a couple of shades of both of these colors. This is Smoke Gray and Pure White by decoart. They're mixed together. I have Atelier's Iridescent Gold here. I have, this is just a fun experiment. This is Liquitex Acrylic Ink Turquoise Deep mixed with this acrylic pearlescent mixing medium, and it made this very pretty shimmery color. All of my paints are kind of thin. I do have this backup light blue right here. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use it or not. We'll see how the painting goes. So all of my paint is thin. I'm going to start this by applying my base. Okay, I am officially done messing with this. I am looking forward to see what it looks like dry. There's a couple parts that I just absolutely love. And then a couple parts I'm not too sure about. So I'm going to reserve my judgment for when it dries. I love these colors together. What I didn't say at the beginning of the video is that this light blue is actually mixed with an ingredient that I'm using it as an alternative to Australian Floetrol. It is this right here. It is Penetrol by Flood, and it is an oil based instead of an acrylic based like Floetrol is. So it did definitely swipe very well. So I'm going to continue to play around with that. But for now, I'm interested in seeing what this looks like dry. It might dry exactly like this. I only see changes down here, and that's because the gray is taking over there that has the white satin enamel and the gray satin enamel in it, which I figured there would be some parts that would definitely happen. So, but for now, I'm actually going to leave this alone. I'm going to scrape up the paint that's on the table so I don't waste it, and we'll see what this looks like dry. This one was definitely a mess, for sure. Here is the dried results. I am super happy with it. The darker blue did sink in a little bit, but I love the way the decoart satin enamels etched in there in the corner. I love these colors together, and I will definitely be doing more like this. If you have any idea what this should be named, please let me know in the comments below and give me your opinion. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please think about doing that and help me get to 1,000 followers. Thank you.